So it's been a very long time since Teo has been on an airplane. The last time he flew somewhere, he was young enough to where it was still free, so he has no memory of this. That means that effectively, this is the very first trip for both of them. Yeah, on an airplane.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from panels above your seat and inside the laboratory.
So that means that every aspect of this experience is new to them, from the plane food to looking out the window to just experiencing life in this particular form of travel. It's all completely new to them.
A pin.
So I should say we're flying to California, and we're gonna go see some fake plastic stuff. We're going to see some real stuff, some really old stuff, and just live life, catch a few sunsets, and maybe hang out at the pool. But first, we gotta get off this plane. So over here, those gates right there, and I see the airplanes, that's what we just went through, is those gates. We got off the plane, and then we went up through those gates, and then all the way through there, and then back to right over here. Well, this trip is a combination of winging it and careful planning. And right about now, we're about to enter into the first aspect of winging it. I didn't get a rental car for the first few days, and got completely lucky in that instead of paying the $160, crazy to think about that, to go from LAX to basically Anaheim, it just happened that we met a guy who had a van, and we got into a creepy white van and rode to Anaheim, and it all worked out in the end, and they were tuckered out. So one of the things that's always interesting is the little things when you travel. Things like the plant life, just the landscape. Little things just jump out at you that are slightly different from where you're from, and you just get to enjoy what's going on in the world around you. And today, it's a fountain. Did you just walk all the way up the escalator?
Yeah.
The down escalator? So what did you pick for lunch?
Yeah. Pizza kitchen.
What's your accomplishment here?
I had no data on that.
2,000 miles, and we're just sitting here by a fountain collecting stones. We could have done that by a river at home. It's so true. You know, you travel this distance and you think that the entire experience is going to be about something bigger, but here we are at a mall playing in a fountain. That's not something that I could have foreseen. And that's one of the things you just kind of got to accept when you're on a trip like this with younger kids. What you think is going to be the main event or the thing that they're going to really remember is never really the thing that that they're really truly interested in. So stay open, live in that moment. That's about all I can say about that. What are we up to?
We're going out to check the other water fountain.
At any given moment in life, there is so much going on, you know, more than we can ever comprehend. And in the lead up to a trip like this, there's a huge amount of anticipation, and time goes slow, time goes fast, time does what it's going to do. But when you reach this point and you're living in this moment, you really just want time to flow really slow. You want these moments to last. You want them to flow, but you want to experience this as though this was every moment. And this is one of those times where, for the few seconds it took to be here, this just sticks with you, this moment, and the way life just kind of swirls around, kind of like that fountain right there. Life is a real special thing, so enjoy every moment. Soak it up. Let it flow through you, flow around you, and just be. Enjoy. So I said that we're going to see some things that are fake on this trip. And I mean, there's literally AstroTurf right there. Fake fountains, fake ponds, whatever you want to call this, lake, pond, fountain, pool. It's all fake. But there's no denying that this moment and the joy and the excitement and the just anticipation experience, this is real. This is a real moment. So even though a lot of California is fake, doesn't make the moments any less real. All right, here you go. Got it. What's going on now, Tail?
We're going back to the hotel. I hope I'm here. Dude, this would be like the perfect community to live in.
Where are we going, bud?
To the pool.
Did I ask you?
What's up?
Oh, okay. So Teo and I are playing a little game where we are doing what?
Trying to see how long we can stay in the cold pool.
So
we dip in the hot tub every time to make it even more hard.
So it's early March and the pool is cold. It's California, so it's not that cold, but it's cool.
Yeah. I get the joke.
I'd say 60-ish degrees, maybe in the 50s. It's not, I don't think it's in the 50s, but it's cool. So anyways, now we're in the hot tub, not chilling. Eleanor's staying over there like a champ. Let's go. What's our challenge?
2 minutes in the cold pool.
2 minutes in the cold pool. We're gonna go for 2 minutes in the cold pool. Go.
Okay, last step. 1,
2.
Daddy, look! I want to tell you.
Oh.
Daddy, come on.
Oh, it's cold. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, look at the timer on there. When it gets to 2 minutes and 14 seconds, then we can get out.
Wait, we're sharing body heat. We're making it easier.
Cheating. It's cheating. All right, wait, are you guys stealing my body heat? That's cheating too. 30 more seconds, Teo. We did it. We did 2 minutes. We're doing strong. We're gonna keep going. Let's see you swim. And oh, good job. And whoa, yay, she swam to me. You in the water. Closer, closer, almost there. 2 more strokes. There we are, got it. All right. Back to the hot tub.
Hey.
You, baby, you. Oh. So we had our time in the pool, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we in the hot tub and pool and hot tub and pool. Then what do we do?
We just ping pong balls.
Playing some ping pong.
Then we're going in for a snack.
Yep. We're going in for a snack. All right, let's do
I
that.
can't wait for this.
Oh, get off
So this is life when you travel 2,000 miles in one day with no agenda other than just get there. We got there. We left in the golden light of sunrise. We got here in the golden light of sunset. Played in the pool in temperatures that are summer by our standards, and yet we left in temperatures that are cold enough for snow. There wasn't any snow on the ground, but it was cold enough for snow. But this is just the beginning of a fun little adventure, and already it's been a pretty awesome adventure. Well, you know the drill. Work hard, play hard, and be a big softie when you get home. And we're definitely in the play hard mode here for the next couple of days.
Let's see how many loveys we have here. We got knot tag. 1, 2, 3. Little stuffed kitties. Doggy. Snake. Another stuffed. 2 more stuffed kitties. Little octopus. Love you, buddy.